topic is value analysis. The value analysis is the most important technique tool in the organization. This technique measure is used for cost control, cost reduction. This is the one of the discipline technique tool in the organization. The function of this tool is minimum cost and without dimensioning. Some examples are the value analysis are quality and reliability, performance, appearance. It is a systematic application of technique identifying the functions of a product or a component. It is to provide the best desired function at the lowest total cost. Nowadays, all the customers thinking to prove the best quality products at least cost. It is possible through the value of analysis like best and cheap. Cheap cheap is best is near cheap costly. Value engineering is performed before production stage and it is considered a cost avoidance method. Value is equal to function cost. Value is equal to function by cost. Value analysis. Now introduction. Value means it is the minimum money that has to be expended in purchases manufacturing a product to create the opportunate use of estimate factor. Value analysis was developed in the during World War II in USA. On the time there is shortages are there occurred like skilled labor, raw materials, component parts of general electronic. The value analysis an effective tool of cost control, cost reduction, value analysis concept, cost loss, best value products. Their main objective is short-term goals. Objectives of value analysis: saving in cost like procuring in raw materials, different expenses spent or more money, etc. Second one is quality promotion. Quality promotion means so many types of promotions in there. Example, third one is promote important substitutions. In the place of one product substituted in another product, like demand, copy or T and confidence, company image, new product and product design, elimination of unnecessary products. Third one is maximization of value of products. Now explain the process or applications. Producer of value analysis, value of engineering analysis, selection or orientation. First phase. Second one is analysis, main regions and different records recording ideas. Innovation or creativity like expenses and wages wastage in the organization. Evaluation, it means implementation steps or process correct or not. Third one is recommendation, it is correct or not, wrong or asked recommendations like etc. Implementing or monitoring concepts of value analysis. Why value analysis is needed? Assessing customers' needs or affordability like customer satisfaction, better quality, best price, etc. Capturing customers' needed and priority needs and wants of the customers. Third one is obtaining customers' feedback on value, goods and services like etc. Product planning. They are used in the value analysis. Reduce the materials cost, reduce the distribution cost, transportation like example, reduce the waste, elimination of the cost, to improve the profit margins, to increase the customer satisfaction. These are the implementing or monitoring concepts. The advantages of value analysis: to improve the profitability, more value and team spirit, new ideas generated in corporate, elimination of wastage in all arounds, efficiency in achieved, etc. So please like and subscribe my channel. This is my new channel. Thank you.